Welcome to the Sugar Connect for Gmail Working with Your Sugar Data video. In this video, we'll outline how to use the Sugar Connect sidebar to create and edit records, convert leads, and complete Sugar tasks, all without leaving Gmail. Creating and editing records. There are several ways to create new Sugar leads and contacts from Gmail using Sugar Connect. You can create records via the Related Entries icon when composing a message or meeting, or through the sidebar list view. Let's begin by creating a new record using the Related Entries icon. I'm in Gmail, looking at a message from someone who may not yet exist as a contact or lead within my Sugar instance. When the sidebar opens, Sugar Connect will search all lead and contact records in the database for a match based on the email address in the message. You can also manually access this information by selecting the Related Entries icon at the bottom of the sidebar. As you can see on the right, the database search has returned no matching entries for this email address. At this point, I have the option to add this person to Sugar as either a contact or a lead. If you have Sugar Hint, you can use Hint data to help create your leads and contacts. You'll see the data that Hint has found for the email address. Clicking Add to Sugar as a contact or Add to Sugar as a lead will populate the Create Record form with the email address and, optionally, Hint data. You can review, edit, or remove any of the data before saving. You can set the default behavior for this feature in General Options under Populate Sugar Hint Data on Create. For this example, I won't be using Sugar Hint. If permitted by your Sugar Connect admin, you can also choose to quick archive the email or use Archive with Options. This will archive the email to the newly created contact or lead record at the same time it's created. I'm going to go ahead and add this individual to Sugar as a lead. You'll see it automatically pulls any available information from the message, such as first and last name and the email address. Now I'll fill in any additional details. Once I complete the relevant fields, I'll save the record. Sugar Connect will create the new lead, and I'll see a confirmation that the entry was successfully created. The lead now exists in my Sugar instance. Next, let's look at how to create new records while composing a message. In your inbox, compose a new email. Enter an email address that doesn't exist in Sugar. Sugar Connect will search for matching records. If none are found, you'll have the option to add that person as a contact or lead. I'll choose Add as a Sugar contact, enter any necessary information, and click Save Changes. This saves the record to Sugar. You can also create new leads, contacts, or other record types using the Sidebar List view. Navigate to the module where you'd like to create the new record. In this example, I'll create a new account. I'll click on the Accounts module, go to the Action menu in the top right, select Create Account, fill in the relevant information, and click Save. This method can be used to create any type of Sugar record directly from the Sugar Connect sidebar. Now let's take a look at how to edit an existing record using the sidebar. First, I'll go to the Records area within the sidebar and select the Contacts module, which opens the list view. From there, I'll choose a record and click on the Action menu, then select Edit Entry. I can make any necessary changes and click the check mark to save. These changes will be synced with your Sugar instance. Let's now walk through how to convert leads using Sugar Connect. You can convert a lead into a contact, account, and optionally an opportunity right from the sidebar. I'll start by opening the Leads module in the Sugar Records area and selecting a lead record from the list. If the lead hasn't been converted yet, you'll see an option in the Action menu to Convert Lead. Clicking Convert Lead opens the conversion screen, where you'll see the lead record at the top and options to create or associate a contact, account, and opportunity. Note: contact and account are required. Opportunity is optional. To convert to a contact, you can either search for an existing contact or click the plus icon to create a new one. I'll create a new contact, and it will automatically populate with data from the lead record. I can add more details as needed, then select Save Changes. Next, I'll associate an existing account. I'll type into the field to search and select the correct account. Finally, I can create a new opportunity if needed. Now that I have a new contact, associated account, and opportunity, I'll go to the Convert Lead Action menu and click Save and Convert. A message will confirm the successful conversion. The lead status is now listed as converted, and I can view the new contact, account, and opportunity records linked below. Finally, let's take a look at how to complete tasks using the Sugar Connect sidebar. While working with task records, you can quickly mark a task as complete by clicking the checkbox next to it. You'll receive a pop-up asking you to confirm the change. Click Confirm. The task status is then updated to completed, and this change is synced to Sugar. You should now have a clear understanding of how to create and edit records, convert leads, and complete tasks using Sugar Connect for Google Workspace users. Thank you for watching.